One them there. God. What the hell is he doing with that shit? What's he gonna do? What are you gonna do? Fuck. He's a collector. Well, he can collect him. I wish I was in America. I'll fire them for his ass. I'm in a queue of one. No, I just love guns. I just love my guns, man. Shit. I ain't no criminal. I ain't got no felon. I never had no warrants or none of that shit.
Well, why not? Yep.
Are you allowed to have fully automatic weapons in your state?
What state are you in?
Alright, put it this way.
What state are you
What
in?
team you guys on? What team you guys on?
I'm on China.
I can't switch teams full. Can't switch team full. Okay, in the game now, guys. Let's get our head in this shit.
I'm on China. I don't know what squad I'm in. I'm in a tank right now. I'm at
Holy shit.
Echo.
Where?
Echo.
Objective Echo has been lost.
In a tank.
Shit. In the tank, I'm on Delta, man. I'm on Delta. We may meet. We may meet.
You're in Charlie.
I can't switch team anyway.
Objective Echo is under our control. I've eyes on a hostile heavy armor just south of your
You're on
location.
Charlie. I'm not in a squad? I'm not in a squad? let me back up with this tank so they can't shoot me with rockets. Hold on a second. I might not be in a squad. Oh, create a squad. Okay. I'm in a squad. I'm in, I wasn't in a squad. That's why. They didn't have me in a squad when I came in. They must have kicked me out of another group.
Objective Bravo is neutralized.
I think I probably have to change back my colors. My colors are the Euphoria, which is like we're a purple team.
We've just taken Objective Bravo.
No, I just like the different colors sometimes. They're beautiful.
These guys.
So I changed mine for the fun of it. Oh yeah, fucking helo, where is it? Beyond this building.
Guys. These MBT lore little bitches.
Oh, friendly.
I went back to the base with the tank because I'm hurting 29% when I'm healthy there.
Anti-tank personnel have been spotted operating to your south.
Guys with these MBT lures. Little bitches. There's a tank of Echo.
Hostile tank spotted. Spotted a hostile tank.
Where you at, Lambo? You're on the other team, you're in the US?
Uh-huh. Keep coming, bitch. And that a bitch.
Objective Echo has been lost.
We sniped both of you out of the helicopter.
Sit the fuck down, bitch.
We've taken objective Charlie.
Sit your fuck down too, bitch. Fuck!
Are you on the roof pulling down C4?
No. I just cleared out a bit of guys on Alpha and then I got fucked up. Okay, I'm gonna try to switch now. I can't switch still, team full.
Lost control of objective Bravo.
What the fuck is hitting me? That's crazy, dude. There's a dude that...
Listen up! I spotted an enemy sniper due south of where you are.
There was a dude at Charlie. I don't know what he hit me with.
Objective Delta has been neutralized.
I don't know what that dude hit me with.
I know what he hit you with.
We have taken objective Delta. Spotted a hostile LAV west of your position.
I spotted a hostile tank.
Oh, these guys are on the roof. Okay. They're on the upper roof.
I spotted an enemy tank.
Jesus Christ, man. You fucking guys are
Objective
the
Delta has
MVP
just been
lords.
neutralized. Enemy tank has been identified south of your position.
Everything's MVP lords. Yeah. Yeah, everything's MVP lords. They're like little bitches, these guys.
You guys calling me a bitch.
Objective Echo has now been neutralized. There's some anti-tank personnel to your south. We just took objective.
I got screwed at SR too.
Yeah, you get these guys up on the roof with MBT laws and they'll hit you all the way across the board. It's bullshit.
I spotted an enemy helicopter.
Bumbleclot, you lucky bitch. Lucky bastard. Let me try to switch. Still can't switch, dudes. No, sir.
We are now in control of objective Alpha.
Look at this. I'm not gonna hit that dude.
The eyes on
Not
hostile
far.
heavy armor just north of your location.
Very little MBT law bitches. Look.
Marcus? Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Shit. Hello? Tényleg man kill me here.
Got him.
Catch a key.
Destroyed his ass.
Catch a key, man. Hold on, guys. Marcus, at dinner time.
Look at it. Where did this guy get hit? Oh, there he comes.
See, yeah, I take off your eyelash them. Hold on, guys, I'm back. Okay, let me try switch. Still can't switch, what the fuck?
They're all on the roof shooting MB2 doors. All the bitches, that's all you guys are.
We've neutralized objective Bravo.
Goddamn tank. Still can't switch, motherfucker. Still can't switch.
Yep, they're all up on top of Delta. Yeah, there's guys on top of Delta.
There appears to be enemy heavy armor operating north of your pod. You got it!
And for sure he got me. That's okay. I don't care.
Running hostile heavy armor north of your position. I got eyes on an enemy AT soldier.
Now, where you going? Oh,
There's an enemy AT soldier. Different location.
Jesus.
I'm on the roof there. See, MBT, where you going, dude? Let me kill these guys on the roof. They keep putting down lock-ons. Everything's lock-ons here. Look at this guy going like this. You stupid. This guy went to their base with there's all lock-ons on Delta. That's all that's over there is lock-ons on Delta. These guys, they're all up there. Look. That's all it is. Come on, dude. Come on.
Come on, man. This goddamn bluebird don't need it, man.
Yeah, I got the guys up on Charlie.
Tiene left man alone. Just left man alone. Yeah, what that man go, man?
This guy's going.
We've just neutralized objective Bravo. We've just taken objective Bravo.
Just like how we can't keep Alpha.
We got attack helicopter.
After Alpha so many times.
Oh, I missed him. Shit. Don't go sideways, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Get out of here. Get out of there.
We just lost objective Echo.
See, this is why I prefer we join up as a squad, man. We join as a squad, you won't get separated over the goddamn place and all that shit.
Spotted an enemy vehicle. Sorry about that. I spotted a hostile tank. There appears to be enemy sniper located east of your position.
Okay, I'm not safe. Holy shit, I thought I died.
Got him, baby. Nice. Charlie's roof is clean.
Bring the ammo down there. I need a medic right now, not the ammo.
With frag rounds.
Fucking Elo! Jesus.
Where's this guy hitting us from?
Where the hell are we going, dude?
This guy's turning to the left. Nice kill assist. Oh, that guy's turning right.
Objective Echo is now neutralized.
Come on, man. Oh, no, don't go to the base again.
There's an enemy sniper south of your location.
Kicking you guys out. You guys need to switch over. That Elo.
Oh, nice. Nice. Somebody got that friggin' helicopter.
Freaking tank down there.
Listen up! Enemy sniper south of where you are!
Chopper.
Haha.
Don't have any
There appears to be an enemy vehicle east of your location.
I got eyes on an enemy tank.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Oh, you're up in there? You're up in Charlie?
No, I'm under this fucking bridge. Running from this goddamn Elo. Shit.
I'm in the attack helicopter.
With the guy?
Yeah.
I almost shot you
Yeah.
down.
I know.
Uh,
Come on, dude.
I can't move over Alpha. I want to try to tear my new asshole.
Be advised, I've spotted a hostile tank due east of your location. I got eyes on a hostile tank. Enemy soldier spotted. Check. Delta is now in our control. We no longer control objective Charlie. Hey, wait! I need a ride!
There you go. Nice. Shit, where's the tank? I could fly this helicopter. Gotta say that much.
Let me make this clear. Objective Echo is out of our control now.
Oh, it's the attack
Looks
helicopter.
like there's a sniper operating north of your location.
Nice shot. You got him with a toe missile. Nice shot.
This fucking guy up here. Ain't you dead yet, dude?
I destroyed the storm beacon on Captain.
Neutralized objective Delta. Looks like we have a sniper operating.
Look at there, the bluebird's standing right there, and below him was two guys.
You kicked your asses, bird and look.
Enemy sniper to
All these
north of
guys
your
got his
location.
lock-ons, man. Everything's a lock-on.
Oh, the guy trying to build the building down for the picture.
their equipment.
We just took objective Echo.
What the fuck, man? You know, this goddamn thug friggin' guy. 4 times he got me. Slap him on the freaking sky before the game done. Where is he? Hit that bitch! Hit him! Oh, that was close! Shit! I should kill that guy parachuting. Oh my god!
Oh, I had a good game, I think.
Big y'all!
Stop slapping me!
Shout out to Antifire phone for you.
No, because you...
I had a good game. 32-3. That was a good one. That guy knew how to fly the helicopter. He's a thug guy. I think COI or something like that. Yeah. In second place. He was flying the helicopter.
$15 and 10. I got a thug guy there. He little camper. 41 and 4.
No,
Shit.
I was in the helicopter with him.
I know. You guys came lucky twice nearly to die from my ass. Shit. Even though before the game finished
Hey,
2
but-
seconds, I almost clipped your asses out the sky.
I like those TV guided, but if you miss, you gotta wait till it goes all the way
Watch him.
and crashes.
Watch him.
Yeah, but when you're all the way up in the air and you miss
What's up,
out,
Galax?
oh, you're fucked. What's going on, man? Oh, do you got veteran on?
Okay, what team you guys on? What team?
China.
Okay, I switched over. I'll find your squad in a minute.
You're in.
Yeah. Oh shit. Hmm.
They put you in with us.
I should get my repair too. Oh, come on, I
I gotta
spawned in.
aim.
Ah, I'm pissed off.
I'm in a tank. Where you at?
I'm just loud.
Yeah. You in a lab? There we go, you're in a tank.
Wait up, wait up, wait up. Stop your tank.
Objective, I want you to attack.
Go.
Where are you? Are you at
That's enough. Objective Echo is now under our control.
Oh, really? Shit.
I don't know how they got this so fast.
Pass Bravo to get to Delta. In it. Same thing I just said. Oh, somebody's echoing.
Wait, somebody's mic is doubled.
Hey, the Galaxy, that's your mic. There you go. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Jared, watch Delta self, man. Get in Delta, get in Delta. You're not on Delta, are you? No, you just get on Delta now.
The guy,
Put some hole in them wall upstairs.
tank coming into our lab.
Lav on your left, lav on the road.
I just hit him.
Oh shit, is that gonna blow? Oh shit, guy right there. Oh, get out of the tank. Who's in the tank? Oh shit! I got your reps, I got your reps, I got your reps. There's a boat in that water, I think.
hitting me. Gotta back up. Gotta back up. Gotta back up.
发现敌军机关枪。
What's hitting me?
RPG.
Two more little bitches. Yep.
Guys on your right side, on your right. Hey, don't move, man. Stay where you are. I'm repping you.
Yeah, I am. Okay.
Let's keep a look around. Let's look around.
I'm looking. I'm 66, 71. Come on, get in. Let's go. That's good.
Okay, listen up. You have neutralized objective Echo. That's what's the
Tank on the bridge.
enemy tank. 我看到了敌军坦克。
I hit him. Killed him. Where's that tank?
Tank.
各
Love.
位注意，敌军轻型装甲车。
Mobility hit on him.
Guys behind us. He's dead. He's dead.
Vehicle's destroyed.
Hey, what's that over there? Guy over there. Look again to your right side. There is.
Right?
Look, there's a vehicle over there, power plant. And this guy's on the bridge behind you. Coming into Delta from the back.
Behind me.
Yep, from the back of the bridge. Look.
Okay, I got you.
And the tank. That's the tank.
我看到了敌军坦克。
Hit him.
China.
Twice.
Alright, Jerry, I'm gonna get out and repair you.
Yeah, behind me.
Talking about 2% left. Bridge.
You went behind that truck. You know the guy in the back.
You're south of your location. There appears to be an enemy anti-tank soldier. This is the current objective.
The guy's coming up soon. Got one of them. You get the other one?
No, he's in the gutter. If you're in a TT.
There's a hostile sniper.
Chopper.
Oh shit, no, I see it.
On the jet. What the fuck?
Yeah. Oh, I can't get it, he's too high. Too high to get the helicopter. He's coming down though. Oh, you
Sniper.
Get in. Get in, Lambo. Jet. These guys to the left, to the right in front of us.
Where's that jet? Where's that fucking chopper too? Elo, back inside that Bravo. Hey, where you going, man?
Yeah, wait, but there's guys out here, look.
I'm getting sniped at, man. I'm repairing your ass. You run and leave me. Don't move. What the fuck are in the tank? Okay. Oh, that's Galaxy. Chopper Galaxy, heads up.
It's a helicopter.
我看到了敌军直升飞
He's
机。
in the ground.
Backwards, hold on. No, facing backwards.
Shot behind us.
I got that guy send on him.
Elo or some shit
Jet
coming in.
That's a helicopter. More black smoke. I'm gonna back up. Backing up. Oh, Galaxy right there.
Sniper spotted just outside your position. Target is objective.
Yeah, helicopter. Contact.
Yeah, you get killed
Ooh,
too.
man.
Objective is on target.
If you're dinner. Huh?
Shit, he went down.
Curry chicken now, I go. Jet. Huh?
Where'd the helicopter go? Look at the second floor up there.
Spotted an enemy sniper just south of your location.
Guys on the roof now.
Hey, yeah, we lost that side. Now guys are behind us. Jeep, yeah, Jeep.
No. Where is he? Behind us?
Yeah, there is. What's that vehicle?
Oh, man.
C4. Yeah, we did. ATT.
Alright, I'm at 71.
Hold on.
Oh, I'm in a jet. There's a jet.
Alright, Galaxy over here. Alright, what's on you? There's a helo friendly. Waterfront Galaxy. Right beneath us on the road, Galaxy. Pushing into Delta.
Oh shit, I went right over there. Hey. Oh, that was stupid. I got a jet on me. Look at this. Oh, I'm dead. That was stupid. I went right over there. Hey. Alright, can't go with jet ski.
We got two tanks coming in from fucking the bridge side. Oh, they're really there spawn. Oh, rooftop right here, Galaxy. Hold it. He's right there. Fucking up. We got no rockets. Oh, I thought it was on the rooftop. It was on the ground. There we got SOFLAM from Bravo. SOFLAM from Bravo.
Listen up. We've just neutralized objective Alpha. Watch it, TV.
Whoa! Right side. That came from the dam.
Hostile sniper. Just south of where you're at.
Galaxy, get us out of here. The guy's inside the building.
Everything is locked on with these little bitches.
They got no shooting skills. Elo, big Elo. Right side, big Elo high, right side.
There is an enemy helicopter south of where you are.
I got rid of the boat.
Ah.
I'm going for the big helo with a tow mission.
Boom.
Oh,
That was
just
close.
missed. Oh,
Yeah, I see a jet.
missed me.
Jet in the spawn.
Yeah.
Due south of your location, there appears to be an enemy aircraft.
Why isn't my boat moving?
Nice shit.
Yeah, they got jumped out.
These objectives,
I see a guy to the left right here, Blueberry. Eh?
keep this objective safe.
There's loads of guys up in here running around.
Mr. Smiles, you got me in a jet. I just got you in a boat.
Keep this objective safe.
Got the helicopter. I hit him with a tow missile. He didn't die. Look at that. And that's good.
Behind that building across.
Bravo is neutralized.
They're up on the mountain in the back. They spotted too.
Have spotted. Enemy sniper, just north of where you are at.
Those are friendly. I wasn't trusting nobody's man right now.
You're the bitch.
Objective Bravo. Focus on defending this objective. Well, it looks like there's an enemy sniper west of you.
Kill them.
How could a bitch climbing the fucking pipe? He ain't going nowhere. You got the back right here.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of shit. There's a boat. Attack helo.
Come on, man. He's not dead. Hey, Bird, he's still alive. Bird, he's still alive. Watch that back door right here. We got 3 freaking rounds left.
Objective Alpha.
You got him?
Oh man, what the fuck hit me?
Holy shit, this bitch is getting me hard.
What's hitting me over here? Come on, man. What's hitting me?
发现了一名敌
I
兵
just don't like this boat. It didn't move.
Hey, Bird, watch your right side. Bird, watch your right side.
Attack helicopter.
I'm the Ripper too, man. Oh shit.
There you go. Some niggas blew him up, and I'm 14% and beat me up big time.
Just west of where you're at. I spotted an enemy sniper.
This fucking guy can't die. What the fuck? Watch him kill me now. Yeah, fuck you too.
I'm at this boat. I'm 14%, but I'm still fighting. Fuck it. I'm spotting these shits. These guys are...
Due west of your location. There appears to be an enemy HE soldier. Attack this abduction.
That guy's still on Delta on the rooftop, I guess. We got it back.
Ooh, I hit him.
He's dead.
We've neutralized objective Bravo.
Destroyed the boat, baby.
Hey, guys on the bridge.
Oh, I can do attack helicopter. I'm done.
Loads of mine on the bridge. Loads of mine on the bridge. Holy shit. I'm going for the fucking... Look at the bridge. Look at the bridge. Watch your back. Watch your fucking back. Ah, shit. I saw that tank.
Oof. I'm doing some damage with this boat, man. Who's in the jet? I just
Galaxy, I
spotted
guess.
that other jet.
I got guys on the back of Delta. Right behind me. Times 2. Oh, come on! Jesus!
I want to chat. I'm 13 and 3. Nice.
From previous combats, I guess. Fucking cunts.
Oh, don't
Lab
turn
coming
around.
in
Where
too.
you going, dude?
There's a lab, there's a lab, there's a lab.
Dude, what are you doing, dude? Come on. This guy took the attack helicopter. He's going backwards. What are you doing? He's fighting the jet for
What the fuck is wrong with this gun? God damn! I see you, motherfucker. I see you. That's bullshit. How the fuck you outshot a Glock? Oh, you outshot a Glock with a freaking... Cha! Dude, this is bullshit.
Got him, baby. Oh no, don't crash. Don't crash, dude. Don't crash.
There's an eagle. You're eagle right here.
This is the objective I want you
Yeah,
to
the
attack.
attack here. I'm in the attack here. With this guy, Yopa. Who's hitting this?
Target this
That's fair.
objective.
Hey, hey.
This is objective I want you to attack.
Live on the back road. Live on the back of Delta. And the Jeep coming in. Holy shit, I didn't see that guy. I saw the one on the left that jumped. I didn't see the one on the right. Damn.
Nice. Nice, he got this guy in the back.
What the fuck? Upstairs, 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 upstairs! Hey, tank, shoot upstairs! Bridge.
Yep, he's coming across the bridge. Nice.
Attack this objective.
They're in Delta.
Hey, there's a guy left side.
Enemy sharpshooter spotted. Just west of your position. Target this objective. attack this objective now.
I'm trying to stop.
Ahead.
发现敌兵。Listen, we just lost objective Echo.
Oh, up in Bravo rooftop. Look at him.
What the fuck is
Hey,
that?
Bert, where you going? God behind you. Mines, mines, mines. Mines on the road, mines on the road, mines on the road. Left side. Back of your head, bitch. Where you running into? Upstairs.
Get out.
I'm burning him.
Go ahead.
Behind us on the left, on the left, on the left, on the left. They're all over the power plant.
Objective Charlie has just been neutralized.
Behind us and on the left side. Oh, look up behind us. Look up behind us, dude. Look behind us.
Objective Charlie.
How do you get us behind this building? Oh, there he is.
Hey, blow the house down. Blow this house down, Lord. Bird. Just in case they're in there.
South of your location.
Love behind you, love. Yeah, I keep mixing the blood and bird.
看到了敌军轻巡游驾车。
Tank.
敌军坦克。
RPG. The love is wrecking us.
Just south of your
Knock
position.
off, knock off. Back off, back off, back off. Let the love go get some of the action.
Get a lab somewhere behind you. I'm running behind the lab. It's away from it.
I have eyes on a hostile AT soldier just west of your current position.
Those are my mines. Mines, mines. Okay.
I have eyes on a hostile tank just west of your position.
Okay, push the back to Bravo side. Jet coming in, a jet coming in.
看到了敌方飞机。
God, you're shooting me with a shotgun.
Ellie, Ellie.
接到飞的敌人飞机。
Pushing into Bravo.
He's all yours, Bird. Hit him, Bird, hit him, Bird. He's right there, Bird.
Damn.
Center Bravo, center Bravo. Inside, look at them guys on the hit. Oh, that's a tank.
There's a jet behind him.
Oh, just these men.
Okay, I'm coming.
South of your location, there appears to be a hostile soldier.
Guys, I'm trying to stop him. He went above the dam.
Tank.
Okay, I spotted him.
West of your location, there appears to be an enemy tank.
I see him.
坦克被我们发现了。
RPG in the power plant. Oh, we're gonna die. Yeah.
Oh,
Get mine.
They're all running into Delta. Oh, they're right up in... Look at this. They're up on the second floor up here. Nice. Nice, Bird. I'm turning around to face them.
Hold on, guys. Just dishing out these kids their dinner. 2
No,
seconds.
Grocery just said, a guy's in there. A tall guy right there.
Oh, they're not doing nothing.
I'm going around the back, bird. Back of B. Oh. Look, right in front of us. Oh,
2
man,
seconds,
behind
guys. I'll
us.
be there in a sec. I'm just doing something.
Yep. I'm trying to
Oi,
turn.
oi. 1 minute.
Come on, man. Gotcha. Damn. Okay, see, I don't mind RPGs. Those MBT laws, like little bitches, they go on the roof and they shoot you down and they kill you. RPG, I get hit with an RPG, no big deal. And we get in the tank. Somebody else got it.
Huh?
Attack
Warm up that.
helicopter.
Hold on, guys. Just a sec.
Come on.
I'll be right there.
I got TV guided.
Warm it up. Huh?
I'm going for that boat.
Don't you go to get cool food?
Oh, missed him.
Wait, my look over me. I'll check not to wait, cha. Alright, guys, ready, I'm back.
Oh,
Marcus, nobody full up the cup, you know.
all right.
Nobody full up the damn
I'm still
cup.
alive. Not
Come
anymore.
around the
I'm
crib.
dead.
Alright, where you guys at? I got guys coming on echo. I got a helicopter right here. Can I no-fly zone him?
我看到了敌军直升机。
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
He dipped. He's coming. He's coming for us.
Yep.
Oh shit, look at the hill, look at the hill, look at the hill.
Oh, look at how I can't kill these guys.
200 dead. Batchy boy. Now go ahead.
I got a carbine. I should have been able to kill him, Bruce.
Yo,
Just fix the window.
North of your location, there's an enemy helicopter.
I put down my...
got lab. Damn jet. Did somebody jump out?
There's guys in the back of Delta here.
One jumped out. Shit. Another turn to shoot.
Oh, man. Okay, Rendero. And I got him as a friend and everything.
Huh? Stop saying Panisetti. It look like it.
I'm going up. I'm going into Delta. Oh, shit. Wow.
Yeah, go.
What the fuck hit me? I'm 5%.
Where they coming from? Upstairs or downstairs?
Due west of your position, there's a hostile sniper.
Yeah, I don't like Battlefield 1. I played the beta and everything.
Listen up. Objective Charlie.
If it's not Battlefield 4, screw all other Battlefield. Marcus heading up.
Oh, come on.
Guys upstairs in Delta.
Yep, upstairs in Delta. They got me.
Blow. Whoa, I got shot in my back.
I'm gonna find out. There's a whole bunch of guys up there. Oh, somebody out.
I'm dead. What? No, I put my ID on that. This guy a shell out in front of me. We got parachuter.
Frankie, what are you doing, buddy? Oh, my phone's ringing.
Or is he on the ground? He's on the ground. Oh shit, my TV's gonna switch off that message. Ah!
Just neutralized objective Alpha. Good job.
Go get him, go get. Oh, he hit a tree!
We have control of objective
I
Alpha.
wanted to travel underneath his wings and go freaking find his
Due west of your location appears to be an enemy helicopter.
God. It's rubbish. It's rubbish. I ain't even wasting my money buying it. Come here, Elo. Dip. Oh, this shit. They're building this. I'm gonna share out my dinner now. Okay. Okay. If I win some people, Mama say, I gotta come for some of the food in a minute. It yeah. Yeah. You know, if I knew Mama call me, and a friend for your mama not coming. Ask him.
Oh, man, it was Michelle.
Over 2 months.
Yeah, the other 2 months don't count because she was here twice. Move on my eyes. Stop that!
That's not dropping eyelash there.
Go away! Stop it! Hello? Yes? I'm eating food.
Alright.
Spotted an enemy boat.
Yeah, Mr. J, I feel you. I'm not good like you motherfuckers.
There appears to be a hostile helicopter east of you.
Snipe this motherfucker. Turn around, there's another guy. Snipe this bitch. Yeah, shut up. Yo, boy, they're sniping up on that rooftop. I jumped out that jet of 2 dog tags. 2 dog tags gonna kill the other guy.
Did you see that? She called me biscuit.
You just lost objective Bravo.
Come back here and watch.
I'm gonna eat some dinner quickly.
I'm trying to take Charlie here.
I was there too, man. I got killed. I'm gonna have some more, man.
Oh, this guy hit me with an RPG. Man.
Huh?
High school.
What? I'm trying to get that man. I can't no fall for no man ghost. I thought that man I rub him down, but no use.
Guys are going up
Aye.
behind
They say, Mom, Dad said this and Dad said that. La Bravo.
Yep. He's trying to hit me right now. Trying to kill me. Got me.
Oh, this shit, man. J-Dub didn't hit him. How the fuck? I popped. My God, 2 jets on my ass.
There's nothing out there. Back here.
I'm gonna die. I'm in the fucking red zone. Ugh.
Just neutralized him.
There was 2 jets that decided to just turn on me. To bail. Hold on, guys.
Hold on.
Hey, I'm say, girl. Let's see what them food that tastes good, my girl. I see a helo. Hey, there's a lab on the back road and there's guys on the back road too.
Objective Delta is now in our control.
Enemy LAV spotted.
Oh shit! Sniper, sniper, sniper! What killed me? What killed me? I just died and said that guy killed me. I don't see what he killed me with. Come on, that's bullshit. I got jet ram.
Objective Delta is no longer under our control.
You blow your shit up.
Looks like a hostile tank operating west of your location. Attack this target! You've taken objective Charlie. Listen up! I've eyes on an enemy tank. Just wait before you roll.
Yes, Jet, leave me alone. Parachuter. Damn jet.
Yeah, I was just in a boat with jetpack. But
Okay.
I didn't die. I jumped out of the boat. I was shooting that other boat. But there's an LAV over here on Alpha 2. Look. He's going in the water right now. I hear him.
I've eyes on an enemy LAV. LAV south of your location.
Sure, sure. Nice. Who's that bird? Yep.
Parachuter coming into Alpha. A sniper somewhere shooting the shit out.
Oh, man, boat.
Oh, it's right there.
He's 35% that boat. Hit that boat, bird, so you can hear me.
Huh?
Come on, man. They're just spawning this friggin'... They're on Alpha.
Look at this
these
one,
guys.
canteen and shoot somebody. Okay, yeah.
They're going into the back of Alpha. They're running.
Huh?
Her rabbit food. She's got to get her rabbit
There's two guys in the back of Alpha.
Our objective Bravo has been lost.
Come on, man.
Look at this guy.
We spotted a hostile boat west of your position.
Hold on.
Objective Bravo.
These guys are fucking crushing us. What's going on?
Sniper somewhere, man. Oh, Alpha. Hold on, Tia, hold on.
They're all over Alpha. That boat is here too. I'm going to get the boat here now. Oh yeah, he just got it. Nice. That's the thing. The
I think
boat
I left
came
it
and
there.
These guys are in the back of Alpha.
There's some slams on it. Oh, shit.
Look at this. What's hitting me? What the hell is hitting me?
2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds.
Fucking
Just a
jet,
moment.
man. I'm 17% already. Look at this, man. This is ridiculous. You come out, as soon as you get out, the jet's pounding you with J-dams. Fuck. He's just pounding you with J-dams. Look at this. I just came out. I'm getting sniped already. Look at this. Look at this. Who's in that LAV right there? That truck. Who is that? Oh, fucking! I'm 47% already. As soon as you come out, you get hit. Sniped. I'm getting an orange circle.
Okay. Just want to see a second. I'll probably hit Connie Canty and I'll leave that.
I'm fucking 1-6.
What are you shooting at? What the fuck are you guys shooting at? Later.
But they're all over Alpha. And you can't get close because as soon as you come out of the phone with any equipment. Look at this guy. I can't kill this guy.
Don't move! Fucking hell, he moved. What the hell?
LAV.
Look at this. I can't kill this guy. 3 clicks. And I can't kill this guy.
Light arm spotted.
God.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
3 clips. Couldn't kill him. Look at this guy. There's a guy behind me. Look.
Objective Alpha is
To
now
your
in
left,
our
Bird.
control.
He's right near the boats. Where are these guys coming? Look, there's 2 of them.
Got them both. Oh shit, outside. Man, I'm eating and cleaning at the same time. That fucking guy right there? Holy shit!
Yeah. And I don't see a phone beacon, so I don't know how they're getting me. I've been running all the way around there. Look at this, on my side. Look at this fucking
Upstairs.
These guys are coming out of nowhere. Look at this, I'm trying to try to spot him.
Objective
Look,
Charlie.
look.
This is the objective. I want you to attack.
They're seeing him in there.
Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
There's a guy behind us. Look at all these guys.
shit is upstairs.
There's no spawn beacon here though. Hey, look, I hit you off.
Attack this objective!
This is crazy.
We got boat.
This
There's a
objective
guy
is
right
our
there, look at him,
target.
to the head. Oh god, must be that.
Boat coming this way on Alpha.
Defend this objective. Keep it safe. Okay, defend this objective.
There's some guys right here somewhere.
Enemy infantry was spotted south of your location.
Guys down.
We neutralized objective Echo.
You going for the AA, weren't you, bitch? You dead, nigga.
There's the LAV right there. Look, oh man.
I need the mechanic. Keep this objective safe. Defend it.
The guy's on top of this fucking roof.
Heads up. Hostile AT soldier west of your location.
Stay right here, Bert. Look at the guy. Stop right here. Stop right here. Stop, Bert.
An enemy sniper east of your position.
I was just shooting the whole thing there. Look. Wow.
Oh shit.
I had my crosshairs right on his head and I didn't hit him. That's it. I don't think we got anything else up here. Oh, what's this?
Attack the
Stay
objective,
right here. Stay
soldier.
right here. Don't move.
It's a bit more food.
These guys in the back of B. Behind the back of Bravo. Behind that other LAV. I just seen it.
Oh shit, got behind me.
Look at, see them? See them in here?
Soldiers, defend this objective.
How the hell?
I'm burning them. Burn them. Fire, you died by fire.
Fire,
How are you
fire.
getting back there?
Neutralized objective Alpha. Then,
I don't know how
keep
they
this
got back there
objective
though.
safe.
There's gotta be another spawn beacon somewhere. We got B.
I have eyes on a hostile AT soldier
These
west
guys
of
are
your
just getting over
location.
here.
Seen a guy right here. Where the hell did he go now? Holy shit, look how many motherfuckers up in there. Holy shit. Holy
I'm trying to
shit
spot
bucket.
everybody I see.
We have an enemy soldier operating east of your current position.
Holy shit bucket. I already chuck a grenade. I couldn't even chuck a grenade. It no
Behind us,
grenade.
Whoa, there's some big holes here. Oh, fuck. I hate it. Watch, there's a mine right there. Is that ours?
Okay.
I don't have a care.
Check him out, it's lost.
Holy fucking, I'm hitting these guys like crazy. I'm gonna kill a system. Little one door.
This objective is our target. Objective Charlie is ours.
I don't have the pass. Numbers going down. There was a jet. You didn't get a hit on him?
On what?
On the LED. The
Nah,
jet
I didn't.
stayed down.
Attack this objective, soldiers!
I spotted a hostile soldier.
Make them the boat.
We just neutralized objective Alpha.
I got eyes on a hostile soldier.
Where is he? I'm gonna jump out. I got. There he is. I'm
Oh.
gonna jump out on
Armor has
rockets.
been identified
I'm gonna
west
jump
of
up
the
behind him and get him with rockets. If I can. He's backing up.
Enemy soldier spotted.
I got eyes on him. I can't see. He went behind his base. He's all the way in behind his base. He's disabled. I destroyed him. I'm gonna get him with
The
a rocket.
cruncher. Bahilo.
I hit him once. You got it. Nice. I don't have repair too. Just back up.
Oh.
Perfect. Go ahead. Fuck them up. I got that one that went all the way behind that base. I hit him with a rocket and it started burning it, and I don't think he had repair to it, so he died.
soldiers. Defend this objective.
And somebody just got out. Ah. Yep. He ran into us. I tried to get out of there too.
Enemy soldier spotted.
Yeah, he ran into us with a tree.
Oh. Look at this jet camping our spawn.
Got him back, baby. Kill streak stopped. Got him with an impact.
Listen up.
I'm gonna make sure you go watch that now.
West of your location.
You hear me say?
Objective Echo has just been neutralized.
That boat's staying all the way back. Look at this.
2 XP.
We've taken objective Echo. Objective
Oh, we got loads of
Echo is
parachute
ours.
in our spawn.
I have eyes on an enemy AT soldier west where you are.
Sure, I just see a jet.
Where the fuck is this guy? This fucking guy was in this container.
Good. Yeah, we
Upstairs.
know about you.
We no longer control objective Charlie.
Damn. I got two of them. Killed, stopped another kill streak. These guys were just staying back and killing our dudes like crazy. Look at this, I'm 10 and 10, I'm 10 and 11. I'm still negative. Rambo.
Any what?
Yes.
No. I'm gonna be angry if you bit. Football there, man. Parachute the. Scared him off.
We now have control of objective
Guys, we're
Charlie.
getting this back. We're getting the game back.
Good Charlie.
Hit him! Ah, he jumped out anyway.
Who's in your hand? There's a guy coming up
I
on
have
the
eyes
beach.
on an enemy boat. West of your location.
Eagle Wood.
Objective Echo
Oh,
has
that
been
was a
lost.
ticket I had to. That was a ticket when I went to Journey and Loverboy concert. I
They got on my
the
left.
street
I thought this guy that was coming
in a
underneath.
cul-de-sac there in Inglewood, and I got a ticket.
Cul-de-sac in Englewood.
Yeah, and then when I joined the army, it was like, you got an outstanding. I had to take it. Yeah, $20.
What's up all these guys? Tell me.
I have eyes on a hostile AT soldier north of your current location. We've neutralized objective Delta.
I was tanker. I
I'm hurting. Hey, there's a guy, this guy's in the water.
We have taken objective Delta.
Yeah, I was a tank commander, yeah. In Germany, not in Afghanistan. Rolling down the Autobahn.
Helo. Bang.
There you go.
Jumper.
Hostile soldier.
Here, I got Autobahn.
Oh, what a shot! Ah, ha, ha, ha.
We took Delta. These little bitches were just hiding.
Look at them way over there.
In the back of the boat.
All them armors and shit. You got guys close by.
Yep, all three armors are on the other side.
Yeah.
Got you, boy. Me, I master this. I soon master this gun.
Oh, they took Charlie back.
No worry about that. We got the game. We got the game. We came back and got the game.
Yeah. Oh, you guys.
Oh, and I went positive. Holy crap.
You go positive a lot.
Negative. I was 1-6 when I started. Actually, 1-8 when I started off.
Well, nice comeback.
Yeah, it was a good one.
That's a good job. Maybe that's what you should do. Be a limo driver. Yep. It's hard to get in.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
61 and 23. The plower.
Yeah.
I wonder how our server is looking. Hey, Bear.
You know the win? Yeah.
Are you joining in? You joining yet? You could check on our
Yes.
server. Could check our server, see if it's full, if it's got anybody in there, or you joined in already.
I'm in. I'm just on the wrong team.
Alright, no problem. It's alright. Don't worry about it. We just continue.
Yeah, as long as you don't jump to Metro, I should be okay. I just woke up. I just woke up.
Yeah, you can't play Metro. I don't know what is wrong with this. I don't know what I don't know. Yeah, I hate this map. Hate this map.
Yeah, this one. If we all jump in a lab, we'll be fine.
Yeah, until we get C4.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll leave more, man.
Honey, you know, if you're a limo driver at the Win, all they drive is the really nice Rolls. That's all they have, those Rolls Royces. Really nice ones, too.
And this other person, that pilot that I went out with, he got me a job. He set it up, and I never went to it, to drive the bus around Orange County Airport.
What is this? Oh, I got
I
it.
went for that, because then I would have
Yeah.
I would have been a whole new career driving. She
Yeah.
must have known I was a good driver.
In my 870. Marcus go bed. What's that thought for bed?
Alright. Where are we going? I'm in the house.
Hold on, let's use it in my script. Pass that
There.
drink in the fridge, give Marcus in
Hey,
the freezer.
what happened to Bird? Bird, you left?
A bird left
I think
from
Bird
about 10 minutes ago. Bird left. He rage quit.
Yeah,
Oh, shit,
I saw him leave, yeah, about 10 minutes ago. Correct the window.
Where you guys at now? You over by Charlie, the helicopter over there.
Yeah.
There's an eel over there.
I
Marcus,
missed
pass
the
that
roof.
Guinness punch in the freezer.
Guinness punch?
Oh shit.
Charlie, I like to be. No, I like to be.
Oh my fucking neck. bitch, man.
Get him. Smash him.
Oh.
Got him.
Dude, as I landed into fuck me. Bad spawn on you, Jar. Bad spawn.
Why? You got killed?
Mm-hmm.
How? How did he was jumping around that dude?
Not only kill the kid, he jumped around and took my fucking tag. Not freeze on me, son.
Just taking control of objective Bravo.
Then he just jumping around into my fucking tag off my neck.
Oh, there he is again. Look at what Alright, they got a storm beacon on the
You
roof.
see how they're jumping?
Yeah. That jumping is what a glitch that jumping is, dude. Like somebody.
Fuckers. Marcus, put me no. Tell she come man. Put the thing down. I'll put this in the garbage. Jesus. Tell she come none of that shake up. Oh, they're outside the fucking door. Payback, I got the flower. Fucker. The guy right outside. There is. Got him.
Oh, to the left. To the left, they jumped down.
Right here, we're... I got him.
On us.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Alright, so let me get this. Oh, you want our spot. Okay, good.
Fucking wasted motherfuckers. Oh, this guy got me.
Got him for you.
Thanks. Two more outside there.
I'm going on the back.
That little room. Yep, you got it.
Shit.
There you do it.
I was trying to take that fucking tag, but it must be the flower guy there too. Take his
Yeah,
tag.
he was stabbing it.
Yeah. We've been flanked.
You kidding me with this jumping shit, dude? Thank you. Please, like that picked me up. Thank you.
Yeah, sometimes a blueberry could be good.
Hey man, have some. Quick man, come and do. How long does it take? Oh, here we go. Put it down now.
Damn, I got nothing for long range. Oh yeah.
Marcus, put me something down now.
Come on, shoot that thing.
There's a nice photo for these house.
Yeah, I did. I put one down right there outside that room.
I'm up for you guys right here.
Nice.
Oh, they're on the roof. This one. What's up, this one? Oh, no fly.
What?
Oh, look, the helicopter went up in the air again. Look at that shit. Oh? There it goes.
Got him hit. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Love that.
Damn, fucking hurt.
Marcus,
14%.
take the garbage train, so.
Shit. They blew it up. Where's the fuck?
Now, there we go. He's like, oh, come on, man. How do you... He's not even looking at me. Shot. There's another guy coming up. There's two guys now. There's one on each other. I don't know how the hell he did that.
Motherfucker, I can't hit this guy. Look, but you can shoot me and I can't shoot you. That's bullshit.
Who was it?
Look, that is bullshit, dude. He's at 5% and I can't hit. Come on, man. Utterly garbage.
Nice, I love that.
Famo went off on a guy in this room.
You know, when I play with my modded controller, it like does that every time. You can counterattack it. I don't know why.
There's a full claymores up in there.
Yeah.
I'm not exactly sure, but it's like
Yeah.
cool.
If it's
Dude,
face on, you can counter.
Face on, he can still get killed. Because he can quick counter and punch you in the face.
A scratch, a lav, and a chopper.
What the
Oh,
hell
just got
is going
claymore
on
kill
here?
downstairs.
Bears on the
That
road.
downstairs room. Grenade, holy shit.
Oh shit! Sniper! Sniper at 8.
快去拿好吃一个。
Man, I barely got out of that one.
Okay.
There's a fucker. Oh, I see him. They're right there, right next to the gun on A. So watch out.
Oh yeah.
He's got a really good angle. I think I can pop him with the rocket though. Yep, still there. He's sniffing around like a motherfucker.
One escaped.
Oh, this guy.
Charlie lost.
Oh!
快拿去，这是你的。
There's a guy still on that Charlie, man. He's by the other hand, Blueberry, in that fucking board out. Yeah, there you go. That goddamn board out.
Damn.
We'll kill the galaxy.
What's that?
Shit.
Dude, he's right there in that room.
Yeah, he got me.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the guy at A. Yeah. There's a guy on the roof. Building to A. Oh, that opened it up.
Yep. That's why I did that. There's a guy coming up here.
Oh, the guy shooting at me. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me on the... Oh, from the truck on the A. Oh, wow. Nice long shot, dude.
Hilo.
Yeah.
That was my ass.
Damn, why the fuck he turned so quick and kill me? Bitch. Mm-hmm.
He down. He down.
He got no fly zone.
Damn, man. What
Yeah,
the
no
fuck?
fly zone. That motherfucker running up there.
My shit's black. My whole screen went black.
He got kicked.
No, I
Oh,
didn't
get
get
his
that.
ass!
They lost
Oh, they're
connection.
pushing our little room, our little area. They're all over.
How come I didn't get him? I got 2 kill assists on that.
Yeah, I got kill assist too. Right in his fucking ears. I shot him in the ear and didn't die.
Yeah. Who you shooting me?
I'm going on the back door. The swap.
Yeah.
Ammo for you guys right here.
Destroyed.
Objective Delta.
Got in the 50 cal.
Yeah.
Yep. Left the moon
Oh
dome.
no. And behind him is
On a
an
truck.
LED.
The truck. Not elevator,
shit.
truck.
你快拿去！
Yep, I see it. I got 6 rockets.
Check the Bravo.
Oh, he
I
shot.
would. Sure what.
Yeah.
I try to do it like it says.
We have just taken control
You know,
of
shoot
objective
above him.
Bravo.
Marcus.
9%. I know it.
But
Marcus.
I haven't had the best.
How you
I
doing?
don't have good luck with that.
What are you doing? Huh? Get that cup and come to somebody. Get that cup and come to some of this. What the fuck is happening?
These guys are gonna jump down again. They wanna
Oh
leave.
my god. Get that cup and
Who
come.
got you?
Alright, no man.
The 2 A's.
Got his ass.
You think I can fucking do that based thing drop? You think I got like a damn fool? Sure.
They
You ramp to the damn fool.
Out of that. They jumped out of that little bird and they're on the roof. So watch yourself. You know what I'm saying?
Where the fuck am I? Ah!
Yep.
I didn't even know that way the hell I was. I don't hear a gunshot going on. End that bitch. Kill him, better kill him.
And a little bird.
God damn, bird. Oh, that's not you, Beard. That's somebody else.
I got
Oh,
Stan.
what the hell, man? Oh.
I have eyes on a
like
hostile
that,
sniper east of your position.
Evo is low.
Trying to blow that motherfucker up.
Oh, they got 2 helos.
Oh, they're in the room. They're in the
They're in the room, they're in the room, and they're beneath us. They're above us too. No, I kill this fucking guy.
Come on.
You ought to jump and take tags,
room.
this fucking guy.
Look, he just shot this guy. He wasn't even looking at him.
Oh!
There you go.
My tag, my tag, my tag. Yo, thank you, saved my life twice.
There you go.
God.
That enemy tried to jump over.
Yo,
Medic.
he wasn't even looking at me and shot me.
Thank you. There's some claymore over in this fucking place.
Put on an LAD. I mean, I don't know how that dude shot me. Wasn't even looking at me and shot me.
Oh, he blew it up already.
I jumped through the window on my ass. Look, my claymore's in there, not even blowing up. That's cool. He dead. Fucker. He dropped off.
There he is. He's done now. You fucker. Colombiana loco.
Got him. We're up on the roof. What they keep doing is
the water down.
Jumping down. Oh.
Yeah, well, we got a chopper up there of blueberries.
What?
Oh, they just made this. Killed grass. Get standing there.
Right side from Bravo.
Oh, fucking roof, man.
Marcus.
Oh shit. See it.
I'm just fucking big man. I'm taking my yacht. Chop.
Look at this. These guys, why the fuck are they coming up on the roof?
Captain, a minute. Oh, we got jump. Hey, we got flanker.
I'll take the chopper.
When they just do a grenade and
Bitch.
blew up.
Mark, I got your tag, you fucker. Ah! I wanted you. I'm looking for the flower. Anybody tag me, try to get me a ticket.
He's on top of the roof and jumps down.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's blueberry. No. Oh, let me check my map. See them there? Now go for them tag. Go for them tag. Man, try.
Oh, look at this. Look, that's the flower right near my body.
Fucking hell.
Stabbed me. Where the fuck? Come on, man. Yeah. I'm not.
Yo, we just take off 2 boy dog tag on the staircase on the third one. Ah!
This guy keeps jumping down off the roof.
John,
Yes.
don't me get on, man.
I'm high for that.
See them bomb buckle and blank them up in the room. Man, can stop this camera, man. Move out to the doorway now. Fuck. Yeah.
That's the flower. He keeps doing the same shit. Jump off the roof, jump down, back around. Jump down, off the roof, back down.
How the hell he did that? I hit him straight up with a shotgun. Yeah, there's a guy at the back. Go find a claymore. Go in there, find a claymore.
Look at the flower again. He's a level 40 and all he does is jump around.
Yeah, the flower is a hacker, man.
Yeah, he is. All he's doing is jump. He's shooting you while he's jumping in the air and killing you with a
Yeah,
shotgun.
and then jumping to take tags and shit.
And I don't know how he jumped off the roof and didn't even get as far as him.
One than I is.
I better step my game up a little bit.
It's showing that he's here, but it's not. He's not here.
Oh, Oh
I
god.
know. I don't want to be a hypocrite. You're right. I know. You're right.
Okay, we're gonna go on the bridge. We're going on the bridge, Galaxy. We're going on the for the bridge.
I spotted hostile enemy just west of your current position.
How much Guinness did you put in this? Okay. How much Guinness did you put in this?
Don't get your skivvies in the wall, buddy.
You must be crazy. Take back all that back.
Swear to God, worst thing that man
Objective Alpha.
Honey, can't keep ordering stuff.
A hostile helicopter flying east.
I thought you put like 3 or 4.
Well, they always, you know the thing about QVC, they always break it up in nice little pieces, whatever.
Like what?
Yeah, that's nice. We're invited to what? Oh, Life Church? Yeah, I know.
Mr. Silly Butt trying to come up behind me.
Is this real Galaxy guy your friend? Is he Jamaican? American?
Is that Marcus? Does he play with us?
Why are all your friends American?
Yes. What's that, Marcus?
Huh? Like half your friends are
My friends?
There you go.
We just lost control of objective Echo.
Shipping that back.
Spotted just west of where you are.
QVC. I'm gonna have to block you somehow. You got a what?
That's yours, not mine.
Where's the pillow? That thing came in that little box, in that big box.
Took me some tags.
Well, one thing's for sure,
Look at the
UPS
flower.
knows
He's
us.
level 40, 35 and 17. He beat everybody else.
Yeah, he stabbed my ass too. Pissed me off.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I'm the first person he killed. As I spawned in JR, he grabbed my neck. Just jump behind my gun.
Listen, Lambo, I was shooting the
How
shit out of
much
him
is
and
it?
killed him. I don't know how he took your tags. See what I'm saying?
Fine, if it's... I thought it was like $100.
Yeah.
I shot the shit out of him and killed him, and he still took your tags. How?
No worry, I still killed him. I got 4 tags though.
Right with you.
Me too. I got 4 kills on him too.
I got 4 fucking tags. I got him on a
You got
claymore.
me?
Yeah, it was $24.95.
Look at him. He doesn't know what to do with that bug.
That jumping they gotta fix that jumping shit though. Because all these guys do is jump, shoot, jump, and while they headshot you. I don't get it.
That's
They
how we
did
should
it
do
in
our own server,
2,
dude. So we can
Battlefield
basically
3,
kick all
same
them freaking guys out with that shit.
Yeah, we call it jump sniping. Yep, exactly. It's like a sniper. 1 shot, 1 kill. Boom.
Hey, we should do a hardcore
As
match.
they're
Man.
jumping.
We should do a hardcore. Hey, you
But
guys
he
up
had
for a
He
hardcore?
had a shotgun.
Oh
I'm
yeah,
only
you
on
do
for
with
a
the
little bit
shotgun
more.
too.
I'm only on for another half hour.
Oh shit, that's one game.
Yeah, me too. I gotta roll.
Man, you guys gonna leave me live streaming on my own? God damn.
I know. We do. I gotta go to DMV today, man. Have to.
Oh, I tried to make an appointment for the DMV. I got my license is coming up.
Dude, go
I
to
made
the
an
DMV
appointment
here.
for the
It's like
hat.
going to, I don't even know.
Hey, JR, I'm gonna try and get a tank. Make sure you have a repair tool, or one of you guys have a repair tool.
Come on.
Okay,
I'm gonna
I
try to
got
get a
it.
tank too.
I'll
I
drop my
ain't got
ear.
no
I'll
repair
drop my
tool. I
mind.
ain't got no repair. I'm going slams.
Oh, I'm doing a blueberry.
Hey, do you want me to be a repairer?
Come on.
Alright, JR got it.
I'm
JR got
I'm
it.
only with a Lambo. Hey, in New York, the DMV, you wait hours and hours and hours. You wait on line,
yeah.
they tell you what line to wait on. You get up to the counter, they say, oh, you're on the wrong line.
Like in the DMV here, you go there, you wait in the information line, and then once you go there, they give you a number, and then they tell you how many hours.
Thank you.
So you
Nah,
can
you know
actually
what's good?
leave.
You know what's good down here? You make an appointment. You gotta get it online and make an appointment. And I had one, watch this,
Thank you.
mine's up
For
there.
objective Delta.
That's what
I
bike.
had one for Tuesday, but I gotta go to New York. So, I can't.
Oh yeah, you're stuck, right?
Yeah, my mother,
No fly zone.
Nice.
Eyes on hostile heavy armor.
Nice
No fly
shit.
zone right now.
Kill
Right in
suppression.
his
Nice.
back.
Well, hey man, eat something good for me when you're there. I don't care. Chinese food. Go to a deli. Go get some pizza. Eat something
We
good.
finally found a decent Chinese place on here. Cantonese style.
Oh
Just
yeah.
like New York. Oh,
Yeah, bike right here,
Really
dude.
good noodles.
We got a
right
truck.
up here.
Guy in the road in a truck right here.
Oh shit! I just know my friend.
Oh, the fuck he... Oh, he's dead. I thought all they had to get the kill.
Oh. You didn't hit me.
Objective Bravo.
There's a tank to the left. There's pipes coming behind you.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
You can't go through it.
Oh, shit. You lucky bitches.
There's a guy to your right, to the side. Got him. Got him. Another guy to the right.
That one didn't die.
South of location.
Nope.
Can I open this wall? No, I
Alright.
can't.
No, you can't open that wall. Somebody's sitting here.
Kilo. Okay, let's get it. Fuck out of here.
I've eyes on a hostile tank. South of location.
Straight ahead.
See that building up top? You see that building guy in the car park? There's a building out of their base. There's guys in the building. See them?
Yeah, I see them. Kind of spot.
He's a, oh shit, tank. Up his ass, so.
Yeah, tank right there.
Right up his ass.
Be advised. Objective Charlie has just been neutralized.
No, I'm good with that Cuban coffee.
Got
Nice.
him. Burned him.
Yeah, nice.
What
There's
five?
an enemy soldier south of
Hey, hey.
The guy back there. Yeah, I see him.
Fighting
there.
the medium of the
I got the
Up
guy.
top.
我观察到敌军反坦克兵。
Burned him. Oh, get in that LAV.
He's on fire.
There's a guy. Stay. Oh,
They're all over us, in front of us and shit
I
too.
know, but I was getting the guys behind us.
In front of us, this one is dangerous, locking us up with fucking lockdown. Ah, you
Little bird. Baseball. Remember we ran into him the other day. That's all it takes, the helicopter.
Vehicle to north of your position.
They're all over.
know. Baseball doodle.
Okay,
Baseball
we
dude.
can't spawn anywhere. Oh, man.
Nope.
Bravo.
Oh wait, whoa. Have a line?
Eyes on hostile snipers. Just south of where you're at.
I'm going up to Charlie to Bravo. Oh, they're taking Bravo.
Listen up. Just taking control of objective Echo.
And there's a friendly down here. He's get off his bike, he's dead.
God bless it. Guy threw a mine out.
My fucking god, hey, kill this fucking guy, this fucking flower guy here, man.
Where is this guy?
My fucking gun was single fire, how comes don't ask me? God damn it. Sometimes I have to think it's beyond thinking. I wonder if this Chlora guy is stream camping my shit. You always find me and take my time.
Guys, we have lost objective Alpha.
Get the... Yo, is this the flower? Yo, he's shooting me through flower. He jumped in front of me and hit my tags from behind. Yo, this guy he's bullshitting this dude. The plower. Yo, there's no way, dude. He was on the ledge, jumped off the ledge and hit my tags at the same time. From in front of me. That's fucking cheater, this guy. Yo, that's bullshit, man.
Just south of your location. Hostile AA.
No fucking way.
Coming back to Bravo, they found Golden Bravo.
Attack this objective now.
Taking back tags, bitches.
This objective.
Yeah, he this fucking flower again, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Took my tags again.